Errors and biases can occur in all types of science research, so listen to as many medical experts and natural medicine clinicians as possible to get a more balanced and comprehensive understanding. If you feel that any information in my presentation is inaccurate, please let me know in the comments section. My references are in the description box below, usually research articles from PubMed. Also, note that research is constantly changing, and one small clinical trial does not cover diverse populations. Individual responses to supplements and treatments vary based on genetics and other physiological factors. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection that significantly impacts public health, especially in tropical regions. One of the primary complications of dengue is a sharp decline in platelet counts, which increases the risk of severe bleeding and other life-threatening conditions. Researchers have been exploring natural remedies like Carica Papaya leaf extract for its potential in managing dengue symptoms, particularly its platelet-boosting properties. In one study, researchers examined the effects of Carica Papaya leaf extract in a 45-year-old dengue patient. The patient was administered 25 milliliters of papaya leaf extract twice daily for 5 consecutive days. Prior to the treatment, the patient's platelet count had dropped to a dangerous level, while white blood cell and neutrophil counts were also significantly reduced. After 5 days of treatment, the patient's platelet count increased, and white blood cell and neutrophil counts significantly improved. Building on this initial case study, a larger randomized controlled trial was conducted on 228 dengue patients to investigate the platelet-boosting effects of Carica papaya leaf juice. In this trial, patients were divided into 2 groups. The intervention group received Carica papaya leaf juice for 3 consecutive days, while the control group received only standard care. Blood tests were conducted every 8 hours over a 48-hour period to monitor platelet levels and other key blood markers. Additionally, gene expression studies were conducted to explore the potential genetic mechanisms involved. The results were highly encouraging. In the intervention group, a significant increase in platelet count was observed within 40 hours of Carica papaya leaf juice administration, while the control group showed no such improvement. After 40 and 48 hours, the intervention group's platelet counts were significantly higher than those of the control group. Moreover, gene expression studies revealed that 2 genes, ALOX12 and PTAFR, which are associated with inflammation and platelet function, were highly expressed in patients who consumed the papaya leaf juice. ALOX12 showed a 15-fold increase and PTAFR a 13.42-fold increase, suggesting that Carica papaya leaf juice may act through these genetic pathways to boost platelet production and improve the body's response to dengue infection. These findings highlight the potential of Carica papaya leaf extract as a natural remedy for dengue fever. By significantly improving platelet counts and possibly influencing key genetic pathways, Carica papaya leaf juice offers a promising, low-cost treatment option for managing dengue symptoms. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and establish standardized dosing, these studies suggest that papaya leaf extract could play a crucial role in reducing the severity of dengue and aiding patient recovery. If you live in an area prone to dengue, it may be wise to always keep a papaya leaf supplement in your emergency cabinet, especially if you live in an apartment or place where growing plants isn't feasible. Based on my research, Swanson is a good brand. When it comes to supplements, it's important to be extra careful, especially now with the rise of reports about fake products floating around on platforms like Amazon. That's why I buy my supplements, teas, and essential oils from iherb.com. To save money on your purchase, use the promo code APT0317 at checkout. This discount code never expires, so keep it handy and apply it every time you shop on iherb.com to enjoy ongoing savings. While papaya leaf extract can aid in recovery, it's crucial to go to a hospital because dengue fever can escalate into severe conditions, such as dengue hemorrhagic fever or dengue shock syndrome. These complications can cause life-threatening symptoms like internal bleeding, low blood pressure, and organ failure, which require immediate medical intervention. Although papaya leaf extract has shown potential in boosting platelet counts and managing mild symptoms, it is not a substitute for professional medical care. Hospital treatment is essential for monitoring vital signs, providing intravenous fluids, and administering other necessary interventions to prevent complications and ensure full recovery. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jara Soriano from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries gained from reading scientific journals and books written by doctors and natural medicine clinicians. I have a strong interest in subjects related to health and wellness, especially natural remedies, personal development, dogs, and cats. Some of my favorite books are Dissolving Illusions, Disease, Vaccines, and the Forgotten History by Dr. Susan Humphreys and Roman Bystrianic. Vitamin C, The Real Story, The Remarkable and Controversial Story of Vitamin C by Dr. Steve Hickey and Dr. Andrew Sell, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're also a pet lover, somewhat health conscious, and have an insatiable thirst for new knowledge, I invite you to consider subscribing. Also, after watching this presentation, you might want to check out 12 health benefits of alpha-lipoic acid backed by human studies and 18 health benefits of NAC and acetylcysteine backed by human studies. The links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you've learned something, kindly give this presentation a thumbs up. Feel free to send me a message. The link to my contact form is in the description box below.